Hey there, it's Brooke with WTI.
We used the UPPAbaby Bassinet, and after we were done with the bassinet, the stand was kind of just sitting around. But I thankfully found these hamper inserts, and they are awesome. I love that there are two separate sides and they hold a ton. So I like to use one side for his clothes and one side for his bedding and his blankets. And they hold so much and they have these huge handles, so it makes it really easy to carry. Also, once they get a little bit dirty, I like to put them through the wash on a cold, delicate cycle. And then once they're all nice and fresh, it is super satisfying to clip them back into place, ready for more dirty laundry. This stand is so sturdy, and I love that when my son helps put his laundry in his hamper, I don't have to worry it's gonna fall over. I can even throw stuff across the room. If your UPPAbaby Bassinet stand is just lying around your house, I highly recommend getting these hamper inserts. They're such a great use for the stand when you're not using it for the bassinet, and they hold so much. I highly recommend them. They are awesome, and that's my point of view.